Hey everyone, today is July 31 and our daily devotion is entitled Deep Connection to Jesus. Our verse for today is John 15:1 to 10. It is entitled The Vine and the Branches. I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes so that it will be more fruitful. You are already clean because of the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me, as I also remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. I am the vine. You are the branches. If you remain in me, and I in you, you will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. If you do not remain in me, you are like branches that is thrown away and it withers. Such branches are picked up, thrown into the fire, and burned. If you remain in me and my word remain in you, ask whatever you wish and it will be done for you. This is my Father's glory, that you bear much fruit, showing yourself to be my disciples. As the Father has loved me, so have I loved you. Now remain in my love. If you keep my command, you will remain in me. Just as I have kept my Father's command and remain in his love. For our number one teaching, Jesus is the true vine, and we are the branches. We are part of him. He is the growing tree and we are the branches of it. There is two types of us. We can bloom, become fruit, and become a branch without fruit. Those branch who doesn't fruit will be cut off. The branches must remain in the vine in order to bear fruits. Branches can keep themselves alive if it was cut off or detached by the vine. In order to be fruitful, we must be connected with the vine. The teaching of Christ is a sap that nourish the branches in order to become fruitful. It means that the teaching, the Bible, the Word of God, would make us more fruitful. For our application, remain in the vine, not just attach them. We must remain in the vine, not just attach. Those who are just attached are sooner or later will be cut off by old age. The bro must remain in the vine. Make it secured for you to stay in the vine. Remain in the love of Jesus, not just the love of Christ. We must remain in Him, not just us know that He loves us. We must keep doing things that will make us lovable by Him. Remain in the teaching of Christ, not just appreciate the teaching. We must remain and do things in favor to His teaching and according to His teaching, not just we appreciate what He've done and forget it when time flies.